Hey guys, Rookie Lock here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Just a quick video for you guys today. Got another package opening for you. Um, well, this is from Mr. Paul Springett again over in Australia. Yeah, what a class act. So I think what happened is Paul, either after watching my video or not sure when, but he realized that he forgot to put he forgot a few things in the last package. So the awesome, generous fellow he is sent another one over. Paul, I know I've said this a million times, but thank you so much, buddy. Yeah, I know words don't do justice to what this means to me. I mean, I say the same thing every time, but this truly means a lot to me. Like I said, I would still be picking Master Lock and Kwikset if it weren't for people like you. Um, so yeah, what more can I say? Let's without further ado, let's just open this up and see what's in here. And Paul, some good news. There was no opened by custom sticker on here. But the other thing to that is it shouldn't have took this long for it to get here, but I don't really care about that. I I don't know. I can be patient, and it builds anticipation, so that's a good thing. But for the price that you pay for post, it's kind of a bummer that their guaranteed delivery isn't guaranteed. But anyway, that's my harp at post for the day. Let's let's get in this sucker. I think we'll cut it right here. Nice sharp knife, new buck knife I got, just a cheap one, but still pretty sharp. I mean, after I sharpened it, of course. Well, good thing I didn't go any deeper. I would have made a Vegemess. I'm really happy that Customs didn't take this out of here, because I've been really wanting to try it after seeing a few people try it. In fact, hope I don't regret this, but let me check that out. Interesting smell. Not quite what I expected. I kind of thought it would be like really salty or something. Oh, and it's it's very consistent. No chunks or anything. Oh, it is very salty. Hmm. You know what it reminds me of? Like soup stock. In fact, I'm wondering if this would be good in like Mr. Noodles or something. I could do that. That's I know it's an acquired taste, but I don't mind it. That's pretty good, Paul. Thanks. Okay, I took that out of frame for a second because I thought they might be restricted keys with some information on them. But these are those nice Lockwood keys. I forget what keyway that is, but really cool shape. Lockwood Asa Abloy. And you guys know Asa doesn't put its name on just anything. Beautiful. Nice keys. Oh, sorry, you guys can probably not even see any of this. I'm going to just haul this all out. Oh, awesome. Okay. Oh, there's a note. I always love to see notes. Let me quick read on this. Okay, thanks, Paul. Just said a few more things that I might find useful. Where to start here? Well, Crunchy Bar, obviously. We do have these here, but the packaging looks really different, and the size looks pretty different too. I wonder if it's the same as what we have. Thanks, Paul. I'm going to eat this right after the video here. And that's awesome. I was saying that that I'm looking for mortise locks from different places to make a display. This one's obviously for 570 cylinder. Ooh, that keyway too. Wicked. I I didn't want to. Oh, that looks like the Master Locksmith keyway, if possible. I wonder if these keys are that keyway. No, not that one. No, but I might have. They might be the ones that I got in the last package. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to make some mortise displays. I don't have my piece of wood here, but I'd like to mortise out a piece of wood and slip this in and have displays of 570 mortise, and like to have a Euro cylinder mortise, and I would really like to have a Scandinavian oval one. But that'll be awesome. Awesome project for me, and it's a Lockwood mortise housing too. Okay, yeah, I'm guessing the screws to hold this in would be under here. Actually, I'm kind of curious about that right now. I'm gonna check it out, since we're only at 7 minutes. I still have the taste of Vegemite in my mouth. It's actually not that bad. Okay, so there's one. You have to let me know, Paul. Is that all that holds the cylinder in? Or is that just one side? I would have thought, since this... Oh wow, it's not threaded. Interesting. So that's all that holds it in. That's pretty cool. So I don't really need much more for this. I don't need a knob for it, and I think I could find some knobs that fit this around here, the square shank knobs or whatever. Oh, look at this. It's a friggin' Bilock. Wow, Paul. I didn't think this was in this package, but there you go, huh? Wow. And looks like the first gen. Oh, this might be a little tricky to get out. Oh. Where's my... I'll use my knife. Wow. I mean, I think it's the first gen. I'm not... I haven't seen enough of these to really know, but I can't see any little detent thing there. Man, am I happy about that. I kind of knew it was coming, but I didn't think it was in this package, so I've already started work on my second key. And this time I took a lot more pictures, and I really took my time on it. I didn't want any dent marks in it, and I wanted it to look kind of nice. Even though it's still friggin' copper. I mean, yeah, that's all I could find around here. it's good proof of concept. See that it works, and maybe I still might make a brass one, but I'd have to order some brass and have to really make sure it's the right thickness. And yeah, there we go. So yeah, it looks like that's all that holds those in. I really thought those little holes were threaded, but they're not threaded. So that's interesting. Learn something new every day. So that's pretty neat. I'm actually going to stick that back in there. Oh, so yeah, I keep forgetting which is which. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is 590 and this is, or sorry, I think this is a 570 and this is 590. Again, could be completely wrong, but you see the cutout on the back? That allows, see on these mortises here, they have that little piece that comes down, so this slides right in. But that is awesome, Paul. I'm gonna get to work making a key for that. And I'm guessing you could just pop this off and use either a thumb turn on one side or cylinder on both sides. Yep. And what I was really curious about is what kind of wonder what kind of cams these things use. That's really cool, Paul. And looks like it's not too thick, so the wood I have will be perfect for this. Do you ever, another question for you, Paul, do you ever see these indoors without a doorknob? Like you would just use this in a storefront door that doesn't have a doorknob? Have to let me know on that too. But yeah, I'm kind of blabbing on here, guys, I know, but I think you would be too if you're excited as I am. Another time, Paul. Thanks again, buddy. You really made my day again. And I see that you gave me lots of screws and a few more other cam pieces, and I think that's what you forgot to put in the first package there. So thanks a lot for that. I'll get to work putting some of those cylinders back together. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you stuck around this far, Paul, I can't thank you enough. I'm going to be sending you an email right after this. And as always, guys, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick a lock that you don't have permission or that is not yours. All right, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.